Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering the essentials, the loan contract and the insurance policy with the policy number. Call your insurer to confirm cancellation windows and any cooling-off period. This avoids unexpected fees. Make sure you know the outstanding loan balance and next payment date, since lenders may require proof of replacement coverage or final payoff. Once done, request the insurer's written cancellation requirements and the lender's certificate formats. This first step prevents delays and sets clear expectations for the next actions. After confirming requirements, draft a concise, signed cancellation letter naming the policy number and desired effective date. Request any prorated refund. Include required attachments, ID, a recent loan payoff statement or lender release, and bank details for direct refund. Submit via the insurer's portal or certified mail so you have a delivery record. Once submitted, follow up by phone within 48 hours to confirm receipt and get a reference number. Make sure to document the representative's name and next steps they promise. You finish by securing written confirmation and a cancellation certificate the lender will accept. This closes coverage officially. Check the refund timeline and amount. Most insurers credit prorated premiums within 14-30 days, but timelines vary, so track the expected date. If you don't receive the refund or confirmation, call with your reference number and escalate to a supervisor. If denial occurs, request a written explanation and, if unresolved, file a complaint with the insurer's ombudsman or your regulatory authority.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.